naman po, bago tayo mag-umpisa, pinapasabi po na
And Sophia is number 19 Gonzalez, number 2 Carino, number 19 Malinaw, and number 12 Gregorio, and number 24 Operacio. Magiging maganda yung bakbakan dito sa ating kampiyon. And action! First ball possession. Makukuha dito ng ating Ace Lyron Lights and Sound. Tignan natin yung kanilang unang atake. Pagbucho, punctuated. First attempt missed. Nakuha bola si Akuha. But still missed the basket because sila na makuha yung unang basket natin dyan from the Lights and Sound. Ace Lyron. Now the first attack ng ating WB and Sophia. Here now by Gonzalez, Daniel Gonzalez, hand time away. Recovered by number 24, Operacio missed. Also the first attempt para basket for that out of bounds. Last touch yung ating yellow. Now set up from the top para dito kay Mr. Whoa! What a nice alley pass. Buena mano. 620, samantala, the 3, Sentin, wala pa rin. And now by Malinaw to the baby short basket. Yung dynamic duo ng WB Sophia, Malinaw and Gonzalez. 6 minutes on the game clock, step back. Roldan, Lurkid, another runaway action, back to back. Ito na, top 620, samantala, the 3, Sentin, wala pa rin. And now by Malinaw to the baby short basket. Yung dynamic duo ng WB Sophia, Malinaw and Gonzalez. 6 minutes on the game clock, step back. Roldan, Lurkid, another runaway action, back to back. Ito na, the baby shark. 6-0 on from the WB. Sentin, nice drop. At ito sa wakas, yung tira ni Akuha, nakuha. 6-2. First basket ng ating Ace Lyron. And now by Mr. Operacio, best attempt. Sentin, another attack from the Ace Lyron. One nice touch. Basket, Maui, back-to-back din para dyan sa ating Ace Lyron. 6-4, baba ngayon. Abante sa dalawa. Operacio, pwesto sa kanto. Dito ni Daniel Gonzalez. Oh! Malinaw and Gonzalez. The dynamic duo tandem. What a connection! Earlier play, 8-4. Now ang 17 top of the king. Magandang simula. Sana kahit sino manalo. Bahala na, maging maganda lang yung laban na to. 8-7 is the score. Number 19, Totoy Malinaw from the crossover. Nagmimerienda sa ere, pasa. Now it's a steal, Sentin, pass to Roldan. Another setup para makalamang yung ating Ace Lyron. Number 7, Barbecho from the leads again. Di nasundang rebound. Kapag bola balik para dyan sa ating WB. Here comes the baby shot. And, well, now a connection. Talaga naman yung connection. The pass and the push. Now back for the WB, baby shark attack! Isang maanghang na player ng WB, maanghang na player, maliit pero maanghang na puyo. It's a steal for Carino. Push it to Operacio, Mr. Piso. 3-45, 14-7 score. Umangat ng 7 ngayon yung ating WB. Tignan natin dito kay Sentin. Barbecho on the glass, off target. Big rebound by Operacio. Almost check. Now in control, dribble the ball, dribbling the ball by Totoy Malinaw. 14 on the shot clock. Isolation, right wing, Operacio, Gregorio, pasa, Carino, basket. Yan yung sistema ng mga matatagal ng magkakasama. Kaya nga, sabi nga, they know each other. Sana all. 3 minutes on the play clock. Tignan natin kung bakit dito ng ating ace Lion. Magkakaroon din. Oh, second miss the basket recover. May connection to Freddy inside. Yes, sir! Basket with a foul by Totoy Malinaw and Sindin go on the line to complete that play. Free throw bonus. No good. 69, 2 minutes and 50. Now the baby shark. Daniel Gonzalez Gregorio missed the catch. Here comes back from the yellow pero natapik a counter steal. Now another alley-oop. Talaga namang pinaglihi. Etong si Malinaw sa talon. Another alley-oop play. 2:28 for 3. No answer. Rebound at on the bola. Palo na wala. Palo na meron. Off break lang. Out of bounds. And basket's good. Okay, pasensya na po. Hindi po pwedeng humingi ng timeout yung players na nasa loob. You must go here at the committee's table. Okay, miscommunication. At least dapat po galing sa bench. Hindi na po kasalanan ng ating committee. Sabi ng ating mga committee. Okay, thank you. 2 minutes exactly. 2011. O sige, referee, ano nyo na lang ha? This, or rather, Dino Gonzalez. Base pass. Here it goes out by number 17. Oh! Not in my house. By Karina, referee Rizzo. Halak na. Oh.
Index 7, technical. 7, technical.
Okay, that was a technical by number 7. Perpetual. 149. Difference here against from the WP. Kulang sa tropa. Yung ating baseline run. Substitution. Okay, back in action. Steal possession for the ace line run. The Bolter, noted by number 17, Sindin, 1:39. Unfortunately, ito talaga yung magiging problema natin para sa ace line run. Yung kulang sila ng players, ay wala pang substitution na mangyayari sa kanila dito. Now by Base. Balik pasa kay Base. Now by Mr. number 7, attack at Sindin. And now they use that contact by the telephone foul. Basket foul on Gonzalez. First personal foul for Daniel Gonzalez. Substitution. And now by eval with best check in for Gregorio. Shooting bonus on the free throw line by Sindin. He hit fire and he completed the bonus free throw brought to you by Central from A to C Vitamins. Complete 120 on the game clock, 21-14, pitol lamang dito ng ating WB sa PIA. Now on Carino, pumorma sa free throw, sabay piso-piso sa kanto. No good rebound by Mr. Carino. Miss again the Reapers. Babalik pambawi. Tignan natin para dyan sa ating ace line run. Kung magkakaroon uli sila ng basket. Back to steal. The baby shot! And that was a foul. Foul on Barbecho, number 72nd, personal foul substitution. Shooting two for Daniel Gonzalez. First throw is good. The second throw for Gonzalez. And it's also good. 1 minute on the game clock. 9 points up by the WB and Sophia. Sedin on the attack. Challenging by this moment. Acrobatic captain. What a nice move. The outlet. Babawi. Oh, big. But that was a traveling. Ang galing ni referee. Traveling. 43 seconds. 23-60. 7 points. Still chance to down the lead here by the Ace Line Mon. Down. Alim sa ilalim. Loaded. Rebound by number 5. The Baby Shark. Pass to Basse. Pass to number 5, Montes. In and out, and Imao Montes. There is a contest defense, but Mr. Montes get that basket. 15 seconds game clock natin. Dito natitira sa first quarter. Sumasayaw sa tayo ng depensa. And a foul by Basse. Basse, relax ka lang. Alam mo na, wala ka nang magagawa. Foul. 10 seconds. Pressure is good. Team foul number 3. 10 seconds remaining. Sendin. As Sendin got the back-to-back substitution. Baby Shark will out for Torres. 10 seconds remaining time here in the first quarter. Gumalaw na yan. Tumama na sa tao. And as a steal by Mr. Sendin. Yes, 1 second to pick the clock. What a nice Spencer Peter by Mondingo. Ball release. Second quarter. Montes kick out to the other side. Damn, 3-point shots. Basket by Mr. Fornales. Nice target attempt from the corner. The lead now up into a double digit. Doble na, 11. Now by Mr. number 17, Sendin. Pulled up from the green. Bunny the way. No way. Put back shot. Basket for two. That was Mr. Belen. 31-22. Now pull up on Montes sa kanto. Short jumper. Pull back para dyan sa ating Ace Line Mon. Speed, step back, hirap sa may paso sa ilalim ka na foul. Foul number. Kaya lang po, unahin natin lagi yung foul na 3. Ayan, unahin lang natin. Referee ka lang. Simultaneous siya. Foul number 3, pushing foul. Record. Tapos tayo na. Okay? Timeout from the WB and Sophia. 16 on the 6:09 on the game clock. Alim. Personal Alim. Matalim yung tira. And alam ko na kung bakit number 5 yung number. Alim. 5. Tama ba? Okay, back in action. Split. 23-21. Fornales to Basse. Kick out from the baseline. The third drop connect by Fornales from 3-point shots now from 2. That was a 5 straight points. Para dyan kay Fornales. Here comes now by Mr. Sendin. Hand check. Good call. Basse, alam mo na. Wala ka nang magagawa. Ba't agad? 5:45 remaining. Still a lot of shot clock remaining. Para dyan sa ating Ace. Light and sound on the blast of the right Rocho. Rebound natin kay Fornales. Fornales, inaatake. Defense ang dalawa. Papunta kay Basse. Sa kanilang Basse. Bumase. Burn! 36-23. Power 17, Sendin. Good, dip in. A good part to set after Napatid yung bagay. Paano na laban? Over winning. Shot looks good. Recover from the yellow. 10 seconds and then once again. And then the reverse connect. Basket by Mr. Alim. 5 minutes on the game clock. What a nice steal. Nakakabang si Sentin. Unti-unting bumababa ang dito ng ating WBN Sophia. A nice transition back para po dyan sa ating Ace Layron. Now by Montes. Montes, dalawa lang ang laban. Fade away ka na foul. Foul number. Teka lang, si referee nasa na? Foul number 1. Ayan. Akuha. Substitution muna. Shark will back. Ito na, papasok na rin yung pogi ng WB. Vega. Shooting to first throw, no good for Montes. Aray ko, sabi ni ate, may pogi. Second throw. Gets picked. Kaya ka pa ha. 37-27, 10 points. Under 5 on the game block. Now open from downtown. Vega. By Mr. Perocho. 30-37. This is a not bad game. 7 down. Montes. No good rebound. Back on the yellow. Roll out the Nelson. And Perocho. Liban na lang. Kapatid niya yung kaninang bata. Tama yung best player. Kaya pala, pareho silang magaling. 4-5 on the game block. And now by Mr. Bornales. Extra drop back. And Montes. A nice assist para kay Mr. Montigo. 39-32. Back into 7 points. Counter by Shark. Gonzalez dragged the baby Shark. Oh, missed the lace. Now back from the Ace. Lion 6-1. Now 5 points. Oops, and out of bounds substitution. Field. Montigo will out for Totoy Malinaw. 3-32. And now the lead will count into 5. Nagkakaroon na tayo ng magandang pagbabago para dyan sa ating Ace Layron. Number 17. Ito na naman ang what a nice play. What a game by Mr. Sentin. The lead will now down into 3 points. Malinaw. Pasa kay Montes sa Paris. Supply. Now chance to make close the action. Here by the Ace Layron. Ito na naman yung kanilang main man. The scoring machine. Marucho pass from the face. Ayun yung sinasabi natin. Na kahit sino ang manalo, wala tayong pakialam. Basta maganda lang yung pinapanood natin. 2:45. Now by Mr. Number 5, tap the ball. And that was an obviously illegal use of hands. Foul on number 17. Substitution. Pornales will out for Mr. Oprasio. A second personal foul. A first personal foul. Second team foul, okay. Sabi mo, Montes. Pump. Turnover. Oh, ito na. Ace Layron. Lights and sound. Ito na yung kanilang ilaw para tumunog yung lamang for that attack. 39-38, chance to make it a lead. 17, Allen, the team player, the main man, and out there to the trigger man. 2:25 on the game clock. Number 5 on this, pass to Totoy Manhiin now. Left pass, Begalicious. Wow! Ang guwapo mo! 2:10 remaining. 3.8. 2 minutes on the game clock. Drop pass. Check ball. There's a contact. Good call by the official. And foul on Vegalicious. Substitution. Montes out muna. Etong si Imao. Yung dragon naman ang papasok, Aragon.
158, 48 seconds shot clock. Now the reverse on Mr.
Number 5, Alim. Eh talagang yung laro nitong ni Alim pang ilalim. 41-40. Gonzalez, here now by the pretty boy. Pass to Totoy Malinaw. Recovered by Short. Extra drop. Oh, what a nice pass. And Oprasyo. Yung espasyo pinasok. Basket for two. 43-40.
125 remaining, second 16.
Forward 43, nothing to say by Sentin. Napakagaling. 1:14 remaining. 13 seconds. It's a step one. Lamang na ang ating ace. One right and sound. Wow, what a nice comeback. Now, pick from the corner. That is a missed shot. Second try, wala. Rebound natin babalik. Para dyan sa ating ace Lyron. Kahit sobrang galing ni Sentin, hindi niya kaya yun. Substitution, okay lang na ng mga advantage. Pwede yan. Substitution. Wow, what a nice comeback from double digit at ito namang nagandalawa yung ating ace Lyron. Now by piso-piso, Oprasyo. 45 remaining, deadlock, 45. Nice ball game. Here now, first half. Now by Mr. number 17, Sentin. Another nice move drop. Sentin, forward over 2 minutes. Extra drop. Ito na yung pang-ilalim na si Alim. Bola nasa ilalim, tumama kay Alim. Ang sige, bigyan nyo. Wala po ba kayong kasama ba na kahit nanonood lang? Pag pag reserve time off, kailangan lumapit dito. Okay? 16 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds. Oprasyo, pass to Aragon. 10 seconds are now by Carrillo. 5 seconds to beat the basket. And it's a check. Malinaw. Oh! Basket. No good. Basket, no good, referee. Okay?
Basket, but not count.
Yes.
Sa Tagalog, nag-shoot pero hindi kasali sa bilang.
Okay, sige po tama. 48.5 on the end of the first half. Kaya ang lack of players. Diba? Linig of players lamang sila. Dapat start sa timeout. Hanggang simula yung ating nakita dun sa una at pangalawang quarter. And now the second quarter. 3-point leads lamang yan para sa Sofia. And now first attack is for the ace Lyron. The quick check. And Malinaw. Connect by Gonzalez.
This is 2 points.
Ang ganda na ng laro kanina. Dito lang ating ace Lyron. Tingnan natin kung makukuha uli yung ganung mga galaw. 6 and 35 to get close once again this ball game. Number 7 back pass. And now by Oprasyo. Basket for 2.
And ito na yung problema na sinasabi natin kanina. Sa simula pa lang,
Yung kanilang lack of players. Diba? Linig of players lamang sila. Dapat start sa sa isang igla. Ang tagal sa era. 26-45, 11 points down. That was the biggest lead before the 13 third quarter kanina. 10 seconds, another nice move. And this is now a nice move pass. Basket compound on number 2, Carino. Substitution, para sino? Sino? Barbucho out. O sige, Belen, papasok na si Boy Golden. Bonus. And would complete 56-48 is score natin down an 8. Malinaw.
Another shot clock to Malinaw. Pass to Panay. Obrasio. Now to Janko Carino to Paulo Aragon. Looking rebound by number 5, Alim.
Alim pass dito kay Belen. The Boy Golden. Now to the scoring machine. Ito na si Sabine. 15 seconds from the shot clock. Sidestep by the scoring machine. Pass to Milen. Tumira. This one. Offensive rebound to Milen. It's a foul. Foul on number 19. Thank you. And that was a down call on the floor. 5:03 on the game clock, third quarter. And bounded by Belen. Belen from the top. Akuha. Ay, nakuha ng kalaban. Tapoy, Bako. 4-50. This is basketball. Totoy Malinaw. That was a 10 and 7. 17 plus the 3. Substitution. Aragon Loud. Ito nga yung difference o diferensya Yung mga players ng WBN sa PIA, maraming nagpapalitan. Nakakapagpahinga sila.
And now, rebound.
Byron down to Belen. Belen acrobatic. Gomez. Rebound by Montes. Pass to Jean Paul Carino. And Padilla. This is a big back here. Pati na naman ang hinahanap. Dalawa lang nakadilaw. Kitang-kita.
Game clock, 10-point back, WB, and the national play doesn't up.
At Totoy Malinaw, dalawang higante yung kalaban. Ni Totoy Pato.
Providence 50 shooting 2 for Totoy Malinaw. First row, they have a short. The second free throw, basket substitution. Gregorio will check for Carino. Back into 11.
Back and 11 points because lead. Onsing pa rin talaga yung pinakamalaking lamang dito ng WBN sa PIA. And that was taken out of bounds, sent by the referee.
Providence, Obrasio, piso, kay Obrasio. 3-15.
61-48, now the lead up into 13. Lumobo na sa 13. Ito na yung ating scoring machine. Sendin, get the spin between the leg crossover. Dinaanan lahat ni Sendin. Talaga naman grabe yung galaw ng ating scoring machine, Sendin. 3 and 3. It's a steal by Akua. The scoring machine, Sendin. Unstoppable. Basket count, foul on number 2, 21. Gregorio, ang cute ni referee, substitution. Anong paki mo sa long hair ko? Rock and roll to the world. And Centin, hindi lang natin mabilang nakailang puntos na ba sa Centin. A lot of score made by Centin. He is a legit scoring machine. Centin, para dyan sa ating ace.
Sounds good with rebound Tabo.
Bola nakuha ni Aqua. Once again, zero. No, almost. Now back from the WB. The short attack. Maliit pero maanghang dito sa Bicol. Lapuyo. To Corey. 3 to Podan. For the tip in. Aqua from the tip in. There is an execution chance for
Tayolo to get back here. Foul on the ground. Referee. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 minutes and 20 seconds on the game clock. Number 5 on Tess. Catch the inbound to Gregorio. Piso sa kanto. Rasyo.
eh, yung signature niya eh, yung mga piso-piso lang nagalaw. Piso-piso lang. Check right. 13 seconds, Centin!
Miss that, miss for free. 2 minutes on the game clock. Top 5 it in. Recovery by Gonzalez.
The shot attack! Ay, labuyo! Grabe talaga yung mga highlights dito ni Labuyo. The Shark. The Baby Shark, 15. 20-point shots. Rather, Dallas only a 2-point shots. Para kay Alin, tama ba? Dallas only a 2 points made by Alin. Still double digits, 67 to 57. Ronales Venga, 3. The license to shoot. 3 men by Bornales. 13 seconds on the shot clock, Centin, and 1. Substitution, another foul on number 14. Bornales substitution. Mondigo coming in. Okay, Bornales, sino yung pinalitan? Lumabas na ba? 2 shots. Unbelievable player, Centin. Kita nyo naman mula kanina sa first quarter, simula pa lang. Siya yung scoring machine natin dito. He got 29 points at the moment. Second row, 30 points. Look at that, 30 points from 58. Mas marami pa yung ginawa niya kesa sa kanyang mga kasama. Mr. Bornales, the third of movie. Rebound up, the baby.
Thank you, Idol. Foul number 21. Roldan. Third personal foul, 1 minute. The Baby Shark personal again. Now the second throw, Pablo Del Kai. Tino Gonzalez get the speed on that too.
71-58. Under 1 minute. Now here in the third. Ito ba speeding away? Di na papagod ito si Centin. Get a foul. Contact to Mendiga. Sino yung foul? Number 7. Okay. Okay, huwag na kayo magtalo. Ni Akop shooting, ni Gala, penalty na tayo. 2 shots pa rin yan. Okay? Huwag na kayo magtalo. Penalty, 2 shots. Shooting 2. Personal nugget. Mula kanina simula until now, 30 points by Centin. Now he get 31 out of 59. He is a legit scoring machine.
50 seconds. Bornales mo di piso lang. Nag-break up ay Roldan.
Ito na si Belen. Pababa atake nila para dyan sa ating Ace-Line Rollins and 10! O rather, akuha muna, tama ba? Ay, sentin pa rin. Basket, foul number 5. Grabe na itong si Sentin. 33 points from him. Substitution. Montes out. Score natin 71-61, 10 points. Pero yung tinitignan natin dito yung pansin kay Sentin, 33 points. At ito yung pansin kay Sentin, 34 points. Oh, 35 points from Sentin. 30 seconds.
15 seconds. Bornales. Bad pass. Recovered by Operacio. Pass to brother Bornales. Step back. Away from the attack now to Piso. Pass to Carrillo. Shot up. Scored. Rico. Tumama sa ere. Belen ng bola.
Try to save the ball, attack and Sentin up to miss past 6.8 to go. And the ball back for the yellow. Ace-Line run. 5-point first. Sila pa yung may pag-asa dito sa ating huling tira. Looking for the last shot, waiting for the Vassar. Sentin. Pass nice. Akuha! And they can't finish.
Play. Operacio back to Gonzalez. The marksman, the three-game man. Basket license from 3. Bornales.
Back into 10 points. Ginagawa naman yung paraan talaga dito ng ating Ace-Line run. Kaso kumokonekta din yung ating WB and Sophia. 15 seconds on the shot clock, back into 10. And a nice shot clock by Carino.
Tingnan nyo apat na agad yung tumatakbo pero kaya na. Bata pa lang pero kaya mo na.
Six minutes and 15, 76 to 64. Now it's a 12 points. Sentin. 10 seconds, Sentin. Pass from the left. Fire. That is only a 2-point step on the line. Ito si Roldan. Kumonekta. Still a double 10-point leads.
Now under 6 on the fourth quarter. Operacio. Paso dito kay Kenel Gonzalez. Balik kay Operacio. To Carino. Carino to Operacio. 10 on the shot clock. Here now the okay. Good call by the referee. Traveling. 5:43 remaining.
Sentin, the scoring machine. Screen by Belen. Sentin, pasa uli sa kanto. Now by Mr. Perrocho. Perpetual correction. 5 seconds. Recover Belen. Nagawa pa ng paraan ni Belen, the boy golden.
On the game clock, another shot clock. Bornales, the license for 3. Look at it. Out of bounds, turnover.
76-68. Only 8 points. A lot of time remaining. Marami pa yan. 5 minuto at 2 segundo dito sa ating huling yugto para makabawi yung ating Ace-Line run. Now by Mr. Sentin from 3. Roldan get recover. For the offensive rebound. Kaldag. Bangga. Agaw. Bola. Takbo. Papunta dito from the WB. The pass. And the play. Darius. 78-68. Points back. Hindi maibaba ng maayos dito ng ating Ace Lyron. Dahil napapagod na sila, kinukulan na sa takbuhan. And now still a chance for Centin here. May scoring machine pa sila. 38 points. At the moment, ito si scoring machine. 14 on the shot clock. Down the three. Push on. Big rebound by Rodan. And now by Mr. Perpetual. Perpetual goes. Pass to Centin. What a bird! Oh! 40 points. Grabe na. 40 na. 40 points from Centin. 40. 14 on the shot clock. Centin. Crossover by Cornales. Cornales from the hook. Henry. That is only a 5. Now chance. Down by the Ace Lyron. Maibaba lamang. Bang. Centin from 3. The hook. Pwede babalik para dito sa ating WB. And now the baby shot. At may power na dito kay Centin. Now number 17, Centin. Substitution, Paul Carrillo will out for Montes. Operasyo! Piso lang, operasyo! Sa konting espasyo, operasyo, piso. 2 points. 3 minutes exactly. Down to one. Perfect naman yun. 3 points. 80-76. Down into 4 points. Gumaganda pa rin yung pagbakan natin dito. At piso sa kanto. Operasyon. Piso lang. 82-76 back into 6. 329 the scoring machine. Centin. 15. Try for 3 points. Getting wild and stoppable. 43 points. Iba to. Itong Centin na to. Hindi ka tao pare. 10 seconds. Okay, welcome everyone to the Twilizer. Last 2 minutes. This is Steve. Mas mabilis itong si Shark. And the last 2 minutes, magandang laban natin ngayong game 1. Bananas the pump, break the slices. Extra step on the glass misses. The penny put back to Malinaw. 143. Now it's 17. He got 46 na mga. 43 points. Here comes now Para. Perpetual on the glass. Turn out. Wonderful game. 132. That was only a 3-point lead action. 128 remaining on the game clock. Here in our final quarter, isang timeout na lang ang WB and Sophia. Dalawang timeout pa para po dyan sa ating Ace Lyron. Pero magkakaroon ng pagkakataon. Basket para dyan. From the WB and Sophia, 86-81 points. Here comes now by Centin. Our scoring machine. Pull and pass. Now to Alim sa ilalim. Sobrang lalim. Patay ang butiki. Pero may contact. Foul on Montes, number 5. Shooting free throw. 2 shots. Or rather, say, sa ilalim lang. Keep on number 1 pa lang. Foul on the ground. A minute and 7 seconds from that point. Or rather, for that 5 points lamang. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Perpetual. 5. There's the receiver. 5 seconds to pick the passer. Centin! No! And that was an illegal contact to the hand there. Second personal foul by Bernales. Referee, matanong natin, ilang free throw po? That is 3 free throws para kay Sentin. Scoring machine. First throw. Ito na, yung score niya. 44 points. Yung kalahati. Lampas pa. Second throw. Basket. 45 points. And now check the last. And his third Bison team is scoring machine. Perfect. 46 points. 2 points from Maryland, 2 points behind the WB. Now they are trying to melt in the clock, pull down the attack. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Miscommunication. There's miscommunication. 40 seconds remaining. 86-84. Nag-enjoy ba yung mga tao? Ang ganda ng laban. Now chance to tie the ball game or either to make it a lead from Tori. Down the ladder. 15 seconds on the shot clock. And now by Mr. Barbecho, the fadeaway. Little tapikan sent to other. Ali recover. Pass to Santiago. Now they're securing it. The weights are young. Number 21. Alam niyo anong problema? Wala talagang coach. Wala lang coach yung ating Ace Lyron. Humingi sana sila ng timeout kanina, di ba? Wala eh.
Congratulations, brother. That is